In the realm of Dolores Cannon's profound insights, one concept stood out as a beacon of possibility: the power of the subconscious mind. This uncharted territory of the human psyche held within it the keys to unlocking the mysteries of our past and present. It's a vast reservoir of memories, emotions, and experiences that shape our thoughts, actions, and beliefs. Dolores Cannon believed that the subconscious mind, often hidden beneath the surface of our conscious awareness, held the potential for profound transformation. It was, in her view, the gateway to understanding our true selves, our purpose, and the experiences that shaped us. One of the most remarkable aspects of Dolores Cannon's work was her belief in the existence of past lives stored within the subconscious. She posited that these past life memories could profoundly influence our present experiences and behaviors. By guiding individuals into deep relaxation and a heightened state of consciousness, she facilitated the recall of these past life experiences. The video is going to be interesting, so watch this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. So, let's begin. The subconscious mind is a vast, uncharted territory within the human psyche. It operates silently beneath the surface of our conscious awareness, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in ways we may not fully comprehend. Dolores Cannon, a trailblazing hypnotherapist, dedicated her life's work to unraveling the mysteries of this enigmatic aspect of the human mind. Dolores Cannon developed a revolutionary therapeutic technique known as quantum healing hypnosis therapy, or QHHT. Through QHHT sessions, she guided individuals on journeys into the recesses of their subconscious minds, allowing them to explore past lives, retrieve forgotten memories, and gain profound insights into their current life challenges. This therapeutic approach was groundbreaking, offering a potent tool for healing and personal growth. One of the most remarkable facets of Dolores Cannon's work was her belief in the existence of past lives stored within the subconscious. She posited that these past life memories could profoundly influence our present experiences and behaviors. By guiding individuals into deep relaxation and a heightened state of consciousness, she facilitated the recall of these past life experiences. As individuals ventured into their past lives, they often encountered vivid memories, emotions, and sensations from different eras and places. These experiences felt undeniably real, as though they were reliving moments from another time. According to Cannon, these memories could provide insights into unresolved issues and challenges in the present life, offering a path to healing and personal growth. People would describe in vivid detail the scenes, people, and emotions from their past lives. For example, one person might find themselves transported to ancient Egypt, standing by the majestic pyramids, feeling the scorching desert sun on their skin, and recalling a profound sense of purpose. Another could journey to a medieval village, experiencing the simplicity of life, the aroma of fresh bread baking, and the bonds of community. These past life memories weren't mere figments of imagination. They were deeply ingrained experiences that shaped individuals in subtle yet powerful ways. The emotions accompanying these memories were often intense: joy, love, fear, sorrow, all as real as if they were happening in the present moment. Dolores Cannon believed that these past life memories were not random but held significance for the individual's current life. They could shed light on persistent challenges or patterns that seemed to have no logical explanation. For instance, a person with an inexplicable fear of water might uncover a past life drowning experience that offered insights into their phobia. These past life explorations went beyond mere storytelling; they were therapeutic journeys. Through guided introspection and deep relaxation, clients could not only access these memories but also engage with them on an emotional level. They could release long-buried emotions and gain a clearer understanding of how these past experiences influenced their present circumstances. Moreover, these journeys into the past were often accompanied by a profound sense of connection. Clients frequently spoke of feeling deeply connected to the people and places in their past lives, as if they had returned to a place they had once called home. It was as if they were revisiting old friends and long-lost loved ones, experiencing a rekindling of bonds that transcended time and space. Dolores Cannon's pioneering work in facilitating these past life regressions opened doors to a deeper understanding of the human experience. It revealed that the tapestry of our lives is woven not only from the threads of our current existence, but also from the intricate patterns of our past lives. By exploring these threads, individuals could gain clarity on their life's purpose, release unresolved issues, and embark on a journey of profound healing and transformation. So, as we continue to delve into the realm of the subconscious mind, we must remember that it is not bound by the linear constraints of time. Within its depths lie the stories of our past lives, waiting to be uncovered, understood, and woven into the tapestry of our present existence. Dolores Cannon's exploration of the subconscious mind went beyond individual memories. She believed it contained the collective experiences of humanity. It was like a vast library of shared knowledge, where the experiences and wisdom of countless individuals throughout history were stored. Imagine the subconscious mind as a repository of human history, holding within it the stories, emotions, and knowledge of countless generations. Through the lens of quantum healing hypnosis therapy, QHHT, individuals could access this collective tapestry of human experiences and gain insights that transcend the boundaries of their personal lives. The beauty of this concept was that it revealed the interconnectedness of all human beings. It highlighted the notion that beneath our individual stories and circumstances, there existed a shared human narrative, a tapestry woven together by the threads of triumphs, challenges, and the enduring quest for meaning. As clients delved into the collective human experience, they often encountered a breathtaking array of scenarios and eras. They might find themselves standing amidst the grandeur of ancient civilizations, such as Egypt or Rome, or they might be transported to humbler settings, a medieval village, a tribal gathering, or the serene isolation of a mountaintop hermit. These collective memories offered a unique opportunity to gain insights into not only historical events, but also the evolution of human consciousness. They provided a window into the growth of civilizations, the emergence of wisdom traditions, and the timeless struggles and triumphs that have shaped our shared human journey. Through QHHT, individuals could access the wisdom of ancient cultures and forgotten knowledge. They might uncover insights into healing practices, spiritual teachings, and scientific discoveries that have been lost or obscured over time. These revelations often resonated with the client's interests and passions in their present life, sparking a renewed sense of purpose and direction. Moreover, this exploration of the collective human experience fostered a deep sense of connection and empathy. Clients often reported feeling a profound kinship with the individuals they encountered in this past life and collective memories. They realized that the hopes, fears, and aspirations of people from different times and places were not so different from their own. For instance, a client who journeyed into a past life during a time of great societal upheaval might suddenly understand the relevance of that experience in the context of contemporary global challenges. This newfound perspective could lead to a sense of empowerment and a commitment to positive change in their current life. In essence, the exploration of the collective human experience through the subconscious mind was a profound reminder that we are all part of a grand tapestry of humanity. It instilled a sense of shared responsibility for the well-being of our planet and the collective evolution of our species. Dolores Cannon's teachings underscored the importance of honoring the wisdom of the past while actively shaping the future. By accessing the collective human experience, individuals could draw inspiration from the resilience and wisdom of those who came before, and in doing so, contribute to the ongoing narrative of human growth and enlightenment. A cornerstone of Dolores Cannon's work was the concept of healing through the subconscious mind. She believed that many physical and emotional ailments had their roots in past life traumas or unresolved issues. By accessing these memories and allowing the subconscious mind to process and resolve them, individuals could experience profound healing. At the heart of this concept lay the profound understanding that our present-day challenges and ailments are often linked to unresolved issues from the past, be it in this lifetime or previous incarnations. These issues could manifest as physical ailments, chronic pain, phobias, emotional burdens, or recurring relationship challenges. Imagine a person who had suffered from chronic migraines for most of their life. Traditional medical treatments might offer temporary relief, but the root cause remained elusive. Through QHHT, this person might revisit a past life in which they experienced a severe head injury. As they relived the traumatic incident, they released the emotional and energetic blockages associated with it. In the days and weeks following the session, their migraines might gradually subside, often to the point of complete resolution. This wasn't mere chance or the placebo effect, it was the profound healing power of the subconscious mind in action. By addressing the root cause of the issue, rather than merely treating the symptoms, individuals experienced lasting and transformative healing. It's important to note that the healing process wasn't limited to physical ailments. It extended to emotional and psychological wounds as well. Individuals who had carried the weight of past life traumas, such as abandonment, betrayal, or loss, often found relief as they confronted and processed these deep-seated emotions. For example, someone struggling with paralyzing fear and anxiety might discover the origins of their phobia in a past life where they faced a life-threatening situation. Through the therapeutic process of revisiting and releasing these memories, they could gradually overcome their fear and experience newfound emotional freedom. Dolores Cannon's work revealed that the subconscious mind held the key to unlocking not only the memories, but also the associated emotions and energy patterns linked to past traumas. By revisiting these experiences and allowing the subconscious to process them, individuals could experience a profound emotional release and healing that transcended the limitations of traditional talk therapy. Moreover, this healing process often had a ripple effect, extending beyond the individual to their relationships and broader life circumstances. As one person released the emotional baggage of past traumas, they often found that their interactions with others improved. Relationships became healthier and more harmonious, and they attracted more positive experiences into their lives. In essence, the healing and resolution facilitated by Dolores Cannon's techniques empowered individuals to break free from the chains of their past. It allowed them to shed the burdens of old wounds and move forward with greater clarity, resilience, and vitality. The transformative power of healing through the subconscious mind was a testament to the body's innate capacity for self-repair and the mind's ability to release what no longer served it. It reminded us that healing is not limited to the physical body, but encompasses the holistic well-being of mind, body, and spirit. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of this idea from Dolores Cannon, as she was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.